the bride's got a 2016 Subaru Impreza. The driver's side low beam globe decided to blow, so this is what we did to swap it. Now it's got this like cold air intake thing going on. You could reach around it, but these couple little bits and pieces here, you can pop them out and just pull the thing out. So they just pull out like that. You pull the guts up and pull it out, and that. Alright, and then behind here now you can see what you're going for. Right up in this corner is where the globe you're going for is. Now unfortunately you're probably just going to get an awesome video at the back of my hand now. But that globe, you just grab a hold of the back of it and unscrew it. It'll just pop out like that. On the back of that little socket thing, there's a little button you push down. Now it'll have like a clip thing on it, which you'll need to get unplugged, which is quite easy. You just push down on the back. Now I'm going to put a glove on while I handle the new globe, just because I don't know whether it's a wives' tale or what, but they reckon that the halogen globes don't like to have contact with the oils on your skin. I'm not in the business of disproving it, so I'll just go along with it. And then there is a reverse of what you did to get it out. Shove it in the opening, just twist it clockwise, and that's that done. That was relatively easy. It slides back into your airbox, and these little plug things, just shove them in, push the centre down, that's it, done.